Why do marketers and content creators struggle to create engaging videos fast enough? For many, it's not just about keeping up with content demands. It's the stress of juggling multiple tools, spending hours on editing, and feeling overwhelmed by competition. The result? Inconsistent content that fails to engage. Fewer videos published means limited ad testing, leading to lower growth and revenue. The real problem? It's not a lack of creativity. It's the complicated process of traditional video creation. Editing skills, expensive resources, and time-consuming setups make it slow and frustrating. Most common solutions? They often involve hiring videographers or using multiple editing tools that just complicate things. These methods don't address the real issue and can even make the problem worse. But there's a better way. Imagine turning simple text prompts into studio-quality videos in seconds. With Vidoyo, users create UGC ads, cinematic scenes, and product demos effortlessly. Just ask Sarah, a social media manager. She created multiple UGC-style videos in minutes, saving hours of work and boosting her campaigns. The quality genuinely surprised her, looking like real footage, not typical AI content. With Vidoyo, content creation becomes simple. No filming or editing needed. More content means faster testing, leading to better engagement and growth. Ready to transform your video strategy? Click below to discover how we achieve consistent, high-quality video content with Vidoyo, the AI filmmaking studio. So, let's take a look on what this product is all about.
You need is right here. Video generation, image creation, your asset library, and a full editing suite. Let's create your first video. Head over to Generate Videos. You'll see the LTX 2.3 fast model is selected by default. It's our fastest engine, perfect for quick iterations. Simply type what you want to see. Describe the scene, the action, the mood. Vidoyo's AI handles the rest. Here we've typed a prompt for a cinematic business scene. Now choose your camera movement. Dolly in for drama, pan for reveals, orbit for product shots. Pick your shot type, camera angle, and composition. Set the motion intensity to control how dynamic your video feels. Fine-tune your output with advanced settings. Choose your duration, resolution up to 4K, frames per second, lighting style, and artistic style. You have complete creative control. Click Generate and watch the AI work. LTX 2.3 is blazing fast. You'll have your video in seconds, not hours. And there it is, a cinematic, professional video created from just a text prompt. Play it back, download it, or send it straight to the editor. But that's just one model. Switch to WAN 2.2. This is our image-to-video engine. Upload any image as your first frame, and WAN brings it to life with motion. Or try P-Video, a completely different AI engine with its own visual style. Same prompt, different creative interpretation. P-Video is generating now. Having multiple models means you can compare outputs and pick the best one for each project. Multiple models, one platform. Here's the P-Video result alongside LTX. Each model has its own strengths. Try them all and pick your favorite. For WAN 2.2's image-to-video mode, you first need a starting image. Head to Generate Images and create one with AI. The image generator uses the same simple prompt interface. Type your description, and the AI creates a high-quality starting frame. Your image is ready. This becomes the first frame that WAN 2.2 will animate into a full video. Back in Generate Videos with WAN 2.2 selected, open the Frame Images gallery. All your generated images are right here. Select your image as the first frame. WAN 2.2 will use this as the starting point and generate smooth, natural motion from it. WAN 2.2 is generating with your first frame. This model excels at maintaining consistency between the starting image and the generated motion. WAN 2.2 brings your still image to life with fluid, cinematic motion. 3 AI models, 3 different approaches, all in one platform. Don't want to fiddle with settings? Use quick modes. One click for business, cinematic, or social. Optimize presets that set everything for you automatically. Drag your clips into the built-in video editor. 8 timeline tracks, 2 video layers, text, dialogue, sound effects, ambience, music, and voiceover. Everything you need for professional editing. All your creations live in My Assets. Videos, images, Everything's searchable and organized. Filter by type, sort by date, and access any asset instantly. Every project lives here as a card. You can see our brand story demo project with 4 scene nodes already created. Create as many projects as you need. Each project opens to a visual canvas. This is your creative workspace. Scene nodes connected in a flow, with Create, Storyboard, and Edit tabs at the top. Drag nodes around, connect scenes, build your narrative visually. Click Storyboard to see your scenes laid out visually. Each shot has its own card with a thumbnail preview. Here we've got 3 shots: a businesswoman, a resort exterior, and a laptop close-up. Reorder, add, or remove shots with a click. Switch to Edit for full timeline editing. Your clip bins are on the left, and the multi-track timeline is on the right. Drag clips in, trim them, layer them. It's a complete non-linear editor built right into the platform. Now here's where it gets powerful. The Storyboard Builder takes you from script to finished scenes automatically. Enter your project title, paste your script, choose your AI model and aspect ratio. We filled in a brand launch promo with a 3-scene script. The AI will read your script and break it down into individual scenes, shots, and visual elements automatically. Look at what the AI extracted. 3 scenes, 4 shots, 80 seconds of content. It identified characters, locations, and visual elements from your script, all automatically organized and ready to generate. Scrolling through, you can see all 3 scenes: office interior, rooftop terrace, and conference room. Each scene has its shots, prompts, and settings ready to go. Edit any detail before generating. Click Generate All and watch every shot come to life simultaneously. The AI processes each shot in parallel, rendering your entire storyboard at once. Every shot rendered and ready. You can see the video thumbnails for each shot. The AI turned your script into actual video content. Review each shot, regenerate any you don't like, or send everything to the timeline editor. Need to change something? The retake feature lets you modify any video segment. It's a simple 3-step process. Select your source, preview the segment, and describe your changes. Select any video from your library as the source. You get a full preview with playback controls and time selection. Choose exactly which part of the video you want to modify. Describe what you want to change. Here we've written, "The subject turns and looks directly at the camera with a confident smile." You can also use quick add buttons for common modifications. The AI is generating your retake now. It uses the LTX retake engine to re-render just that segment with your specified changes. No need to regenerate the entire video. Tips. The Voice Studio lets you browse, search, and filter voices by language, gender, age, and style. Find the perfect voice for any project in seconds. Or clone any voice in seconds. Switch to My Voices, upload a short audio sample, and the AI creates a digital copy. Here you can see a saved voice clone called Jack, ready to use in any project. Over 9,500 AI spokespersons in the Avatar Vault. Diverse, professional, and ready to present your content. Filter by gender, age, ethnicity, and style to find the perfect match. 6 viral caption styles built right in: bold pop, outline, karaoke, minimal, gradient, and TikTok. Customize font size, text color, and position. Just upload your video and click Auto Transcribe. Build your production team right inside Vidoyo. The Team tab shows your invited members with their roles, editor or viewer. Everyone works in the same platform. White label your entire platform. Toggle it on, set your brand name, upload your logo, and your clients never see Vidoyo. It's your brand, your domain, your business. Manage all your clients from one dashboard. The Clients tab shows everyone you're working with, their name, email, and status. A complete CRM built for video agencies. Onboard new clients in seconds. Just enter their name, email, and optional company details. One click and they're in your system, ready to receive deliverables. Invite team members with role-based access. Choose editor for full creative access or viewer for review-only permissions. Scale your team without scaling your costs. Create professional voiceovers with the AI voiceover tool. Choose from thousands of voices, adjust emotion and pacing, and generate broadcast quality audio for any video project. Save characters, objects, and places as reusable elements. This ensures visual consistency across your entire project. The same character looks the same in every scene. Generate click-worthy thumbnails in 5 different styles. Upload your video, pick a style, and the AI creates eye-catching thumbnails optimized for maximum engagement. The built-in video editor has 8 timeline tracks, 2 video layers, text overlays, dialogue, sound effects, ambiance, music, and voiceover. Everything you need for professional post-production, no external software required. Your complete media library in My Assets. Every video and image you've created is searchable, filterable, and organized. 25 items and growing. Upload your own files too. Hover over any asset to access quick actions, edit, add captions, favorite, or delete. Every asset is just one click away from your next project.